Hello everybody and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today we are talking about the differences between project and product management. Keep watching to know the skill set and salaries of project managers versus product managers. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. Before we start, let's clear out the main terms. What is project management? A project refers to a task aimed at achieving a specific goal or a set of objectives. Since projects are multifaceted activities involving so many moving parts, a control system must be in place to get the tasks. This system of managing projects is called project management, and the person in charge of it is a project manager. And what is product management? A product is a perceivable object that must be obtained at the end of any creative process. So, product management is a management system to control the creative process, from ideation to sales, which is curated by a product manager. Let's see their salary expectations. In general, product managers are paid more than project managers due to the sheer volume of duties they perform. Product managers' average payroll is around $110,000 annually, while project managers' average annual salary is $70,000. But you should know that figures vary based on the country, experience level, and the company's financial capability. As we can see in these examples, companies of 5,000 plus employees offer a higher salary. Let's now review the responsibilities in more detail. We'll start with product manager responsibilities. Product managers serve as liaisons between the product team and the rest of the company. Therefore, the product manager's responsibilities include market research, idea creation, creating and maintaining a product roadmap, developing strategy and setting product vision, and communicating within teams, stakeholders, and users. Here we suggest reading about the product management process to understand the activities involved. Find the link to our article in the description box. As for project manager responsibilities, a project manager's role is to ensure that their team achieves a specific goal aimed at developing a product or service. And so, the responsibilities of a project manager include budget allocation, team organization, tasks planning, periodic progress updates, and conflict resolution. We'll now share the skill set of project managers and product managers. We at Jelvix believe that both project and product manager positions require perfect leadership skills, top-notch organizational skills, and outstanding research skills. However, there are specific skills required for each position. Product manager skills include excellent communication skills, ability to introduce innovations, and excellent marketing skills. Project manager skills include industry-savvy skills, time management skills, and strong goal orientation. What do you think? Which of these skills are turning to be crucial ones and help to perform their jobs perfectly? Share your thoughts under the video. You might be wondering, is there any overlap between product and project managers? As the line blurs when it comes to the product and project manager tasks, noticeable points of overlap start to appear directly during the management process. Among overlapping aspects of product and project manager roles are time, budget, and team management, customer relation, as both are conversant with customer needs and concerns, sales and marketing. The product manager needs to communicate their ideas to the marketing team to kickstart campaigns. Also, both product manager and project manager need to understand the main selling points and factor them into the development process. Our next overlap area is product improvement, as both need to understand the rapidly changing economic landscape to adjust their strategies. And the final point is, implementation of ideas should be the product or project manager's forte. This skill helps them to research and allocate resources to achieve the primary objective. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. Jelvix helps top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We provide world-class enterprise software engineering, design, and technology consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share the experience of a successful project and product management. So, make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.